Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on set operators in SQL Server. So what are the set operators? Set operators is one typical operator where we use it to combine the results of the two queries. So there are two rules commonly applicable to all set operators in SQL. First one is data types should be same for both columns. For both in the data types should be same in two columns. Similar in two tables. Types of columns should be similar in two tables. And second one is order and the number of columns in select statement. Number and order of columns also be same. Also be same in two tables. So these two rules are mandatorily applicable when you are using the any set operators while writing the SQL codes. So there are four set of operators we are commonly used in the SQL. One is union, union-all, intersect, and except. So first, when you talk about the union-all command combines the result of the two or more select statements. It allows the duplicate values, but when it comes to union, it doesn't. It removes any duplicate values. The remaining functionality is the same between union and union. So I have two tables called under cricket database. One is batsman table and one is bowler table. Each table consists 7 records, and there are some player names are included both in batsman table and bowlers table. So here in batsman, Kapil Dev, Ian Botham and Jagas Kallis. These three players are included in batsman and bowlers as well. So I am applying the set operators in these two tables. First, I am using the union. When you run the union, it will obviously get 14 records because each table consists 7 records and it allows duplicates as well. So when you are applying the same for the union, it takes only 11 records. That means it skips the 3 records from the table and get the only distinct 11 records. So when it comes to number of columns in the select statement, I am selecting ID and player name, player underscore name, player underscore name in first table, but I am selecting only player name, player in second table because my in second table the name of the column is player. That's why I'm giving the only player. See here, player. So if you run this one, it will throw errors. Why? Because all queries combined using union, intersect, or except operators must have an equal number of expression in their target list. That is, in select statement, it should have same number. So I remove the ID and giving the only player in player name in two tables in select statement. It works. It works and it throws the 11 row. So this is how union and union-all will work. Union-all combine the two results, two tables of the data, including duplicate values, whereas union does not allow the duplicate values. So when you go to the intersect operator, what intersect will do? Intersect is used to return the records that are common between the two select statements or data sets. It is the intersection of the. So I'm just typing the intersect and run the query. It throws only 3 records, common records between two tables. So these 3 players are common in two tables. Ian Botham, Jagas Kallis, and Kapil Dev. Both are included both in batsman table and bowlers table. It works. Intersect will work. Get only common records between two tables. While coming to except, it returns those records from the left select query that are not present in the right side of the query. Except statement works. It's similarly the way that the minus operator does in mathematics. So if you apply the except one, if you run the query here, so what it give, both table contains, each table contains 7 records each. So it will, when you run the query, because my left table is batsman and my right table is the bowler. So it will take only except query by removing the three duplicate values. So in the batsman. So other than these four players, Kapil Dev, Ian Botham, Jagaskal is also there in the batsman table. So it gives to removing those three players and give the other four names of the players. So if you change the table, if you change the table to this and this, right to left and left to right, the result will be different. If you run it, Anand Kumble, Courtney Walsh, McGrath, and Muralidharan. So except will work, uh, except will remove the duplicates and give the distinct values from the left table. So this is how these four operators will work. So these two rules are combinedly applicable to all. Data types of columns should be similar, and the number and order of the columns also same in the two table in select statement. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.